Welcome to AS Automotive Review, where innovation meets elegance in motion. Today, we're diving into a masterpiece of modern aviation engineering, a machine that defines the future of rotorcraft, the Airbus H160. This is more than just a helicopter. It's a symbol of what's possible when design, technology, and performance are taken to new heights. At first glance, the Airbus H160 doesn't look like your typical helicopter, and that's the point. Its sleek, futuristic silhouette is instantly recognizable. With curves inspired by automotive aerodynamics and an aggressive stance that feels like it belongs on a racetrack rather than a helipad, the H160 commands attention. The blue edge rotor blades are not only visually distinct, with their unique double-swept design, but they also serve a crucial purpose, reducing noise by up to 50% and boosting lift efficiency. Its form and function working together in perfect harmony. Built to serve a wide range of missions, from private transport and offshore operations to emergency medical services and public safety, the H160 is Airbus's answer to a growing demand for versatile, fuel-efficient, and high-performance rotorcraft. Powered by two Safran Arrano engines, the H160 delivers over 1,300 shaft horsepower per engine, giving it a cruise speed of approximately 155 knots, or 287 kilometers per hour. That's fast, especially for a medium twin-engine helicopter in this category. But what really makes the H160 special isn't just the power, it's how that power is delivered. Airbus has integrated its Helionix avionics suite into the cockpit, giving pilots an intuitive, glass cockpit experience with fewer workload distractions. From the 4-axis autopilot to the synthetic vision systems, every element of the flight deck has been designed for safety, precision, and ease of use. And that means fewer complications and more confidence, whether you're flying across cities, coastlines, or remote offshore platforms. Step inside the cabin, and you're immediately struck by the blend of luxury and functionality. Depending on the configuration, the H160 can seat up to 12 passengers, with a variety of layout options tailored to its mission. For corporate and VIP transport, it's an airborne lounge, plush leather seating, panoramic windows, and customizable lighting that gives passengers the feeling of being in a high-end private jet. The soundproofing is remarkable, allowing for quiet conversation even during flight. And for those who crave the details, yes, even the tray tables and trim can be custom finished in wood, carbon fiber, or brushed metal. For EMS operators, the H160 transforms into a flying emergency room. The wide sliding doors and rear clamshell doors allow for easy patient loading, while the flat floor cabin ensures unhindered access for medical crews. The interior can be equipped with advanced life support systems, integrated stretchers, and even space for on-the-go diagnostics. This adaptability is exactly why the H160 is becoming a favorite among air ambulance services globally. From a maintenance standpoint, Airbus has gone all in on reducing downtime. The H160 is designed with modular components, meaning easier inspections, faster part swaps, and less time in the hangar. The health and usage monitoring system HUMS keeps track of mechanical and structural health in real time, providing predictive maintenance alerts that keep operations smooth and avoid costly surprises. In aviation, time is money, and the H160 respects both. Safety, of course, is non-negotiable. Airbus has engineered the H160 to meet or exceed all modern aviation safety standards. Crashworthy seats, energy-absorbing landing gear, and a fenestron tail rotor system that enhances anti-torque control while minimizing ground crew. Hazards are just a few of the elements that make this aircraft exceptionally secure. The rotor system design also allows for improved auto-rotation capability, giving pilots more control in the unlikely event of engine failure. Environmental consciousness plays a big role in the H160's development. Compared to previous generation helicopters, it burns up to 15% less fuel, thanks to the combination of aerodynamic refinements, lighter materials, and more efficient engines. That makes it not only cost-effective over the long haul but also more in line with modern sustainability goals. With cities pushing for greener aerial solutions, the H160 positions itself as a responsible step forward in urban air mobility. The noise reduction technologies deserve a deeper look. Rotorcraft noise is one of the biggest challenges when flying over populated areas, but Airbus tackled this head-on. The blue edge rotor blades mentioned earlier reduce blade vortex interaction noise, one of the most unpleasant and recognizable sounds helicopters produce. This means that the H160 can operate in noise-sensitive areas with far less disruption, making it ideal for corporate transport in city centers or tourist routes over natural reserves. One of the things that sets the H160 apart from its competitors is the philosophy behind its creation. Airbus didn't just want to make a better helicopter, they wanted to redefine the user experience, both for the pilot and for the passengers. That's why so much emphasis was placed on design language, interior ergonomics, and technological assistance. In fact, the H160 is the first civilian helicopter to use composite rotor blades in a composite airframe, which reduces weight while increasing strength and resistance to corrosion. This leap in materials science isn't just innovation for innovation's sake, it translates directly into better fuel efficiency, lower life cycle costs, and improved safety margins. Flying the H160 isn't just about reaching a destination, it's about experiencing flight in its most refined form. Whether you're piloting it from the front or sitting comfortably in the back, there's a sense of smoothness and stability that feels more like gliding than traditional helicopter flight. Vibration levels are impressively low, thanks to the rotor design and smart load distribution. For operators, this means happier clients, longer component lifespans, and a reputation for comfort that's hard to beat. For the private owner or VIP operator, the H160 is a statement, a fusion of power and prestige. It offers an exclusive form of travel, bypassing airport congestion and delivering passengers directly to rooftops, yachts, or remote destinations in total privacy and luxury. It's not just about convenience, it's about creating a travel experience that feels personal, seamless, and unforgettable. Even the landing gear is designed to impress. Fully retractable, it not only improves aerodynamic performance but also contributes to the aircraft's futuristic aesthetics. Everything about the H160 feels like it was crafted with intention, from the curvature of the windshield to the placement of the air inlets. Nothing is accidental. In terms of market competition, the Airbus H160 squares off against helicopters like the Leonardo A139 and Bell 525, but it carves out a unique niche through its advanced avionics, quiet operation, and futuristic design. For companies and governments looking to invest in a next-gen platform that ticks the boxes for safety, sustainability, and performance, the H160 stands tall. It's also worth mentioning that Airbus offers strong aftermarket support, with training programs, global parts distribution, and digital tools to keep the aircraft flying at peak performance. Operators gain access to Airbus's customer support network, which is one of the largest and most experienced in the rotorcraft industry. Whether you're based in Europe, the Middle East, Asia, or the Americas, there's a team ready to back you up. So who is the Airbus H160 really for? It's for forward-thinking companies, discerning private clients, and essential services that demand more from their aircraft. It's for people who value not just getting from point A to point B, but doing it in style, safety, and silence. It's for a world that's changing, fast, and needs aircraft ready to meet the moment. If you're looking at the future of rotorcraft, you're looking at the Airbus H160. A helicopter that doesn't just meet expectations, it sets new ones. Whether flying above a bustling cityscape, navigating over open oceans, or gliding through mountain valleys, the H160 is proof that the sky is no longer the limit, it's just the beginning. Thank you for joining us today on AS Automotive Review. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the Airbus H160, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more cinematic breakdowns of the world's most advanced machines, on land, in the air, and beyond. Until next time, stay curious, stay driven, and keep chasing the extraordinary.